Welcome back to another exciting review on Product Critique, where today we're diving into the best back-to-school bash banner from MEHOFOND. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or someone organizing a back-to-school event, this banner is the perfect addition to your celebration. With its vibrant and colorful design, this backdrop will truly light up your first day of school event. The MEHOFOND Back-to-School Bash banner is a fantastic way to mark the occasion. Measuring an impressive 3.6 by 5.9 feet, it provides ample space to showcase all of its bright, cheerful graphics. You'll find fun and iconic school-themed designs, such as a school bus, an alarm clock, colorful pens, school bags, and apples, all printed on a classic chalkboard-style background. This fun and energetic design will not only bring joy to students but will also create an unforgettable memory for everyone involved. The material of this banner is made of durable polyester fiber. It's soft, lightweight, and easy to maintain. The fabric ensures that the colors remain bright and vibrant even after repeated use. You can easily wash and clean it, so it's perfect for reusing at future back-to-school celebrations. The quality of the material makes it a standout choice for anyone planning to reuse it year after year. One of the best things about this banner is its versatility. It's not just for the first day of school. You can use it for preschool, kindergarten parties, or any school-related event. It can even make a great addition to your home decor if you're hosting a back-to-school photo booth or celebration. Its design is sure to bring a lively atmosphere to any space, whether in a classroom, office, or party venue. Installing the banner is a breeze. It comes with 4 copper holes at each corner, allowing you to easily hang it with string or rope. The process is quick and simple, so you'll have your event ready in no time. Whether you're decorating for a photo booth or just setting up the perfect backdrop for a party, this banner will make it look professional and polished. If you're looking for a back-to-school decoration that captures the spirit of the season and makes a bold statement, the MEHOFOND Back-to-School Bash banner is your go-to option. So, if you want to make your first day of school special, go ahead and grab this banner. You won't regret it, and your students, teachers, or guests will be talking about it for years to come. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. See you next time.